We are on our way to Las Coloradas Tour.
Late.
And we are late again. We are later than we were when we went to Chichen Itza. Let's hope that they waited for us.
We heard a lot of bad comments about it.
Yeah. So I guess what we're gonna do today is let y'all know if it's actually worth it to go on a tour or not. We're on the bus to Las Coloradas and we already got ripped off once. So if you guys go, make sure that you get your taxes included and have them write it down on the sheet. If not, they'll charge you an extra $10 just for fun. We are at Las Coloradas. We all just got out of the bus to go pee, and you have to pay 5 pesos to go pee. Or change. But we changed on the bus, saving money. So our itinerary is the Pink Lakes. We're here for 30 minutes and we get to take pictures, and then we are going on the Rio Lagartos Tour, and we're supposed to get or choose to get a Mayan exfoliation, which they sell like a spa treatment, but we're gonna see what it's actually like. And then after that we go to our restaurant in the Rio Lagartos Town. Then after that we are supposed to go to some sort of crocodile farm.
They call it a Crocodile Sanctuary. So if it is actually nice and like they, I don't know, if it doesn't look cruel, then we'll take pictures.
Cuando el agua empieza a bajar, va a caer vientecito, si cae el agua, pues ya no queda en nosotros.
We're here on the first pink lake that they have. They said it's supposed to get even more pink. So we're in the pinkest part of the lake, apparently.
So what are we doing?
We're on our Rio Lagartos Boat Tour.
Rio Lagartos. We're on our tour and we found flamingo habitat, and we're really far away, but we can see really good in person. Gulf of Mexico. Dun, dun, dun.
We're supposed to go swimming and rub weird sand on our bodies. So yeah.
Okay, Chad, represent the team.
Why won't you do it? You suck. I'm not putting it on my face.
Put it on your face.
I'm not putting it on my face.
On your face.
No.
On your face. Yeah.
Oh, it smells like a hard-boiled egg.
Really?
I'm done.
You look very pretty.
Rio Lagartos Town. We're going to eat at a restaurant. Everyone's taking pictures at this sign, so we'll probably be here for the next day. And we did this little Mayan mud bath, and we both have strange red sores popping up on our bodies. Stay tuned.
So we're lost.
I again.
Yeah, but we're lost alongside with the whole tour group.
Yeah, our tour guide's gone. So
And,
here we are.
yeah, and we're just walking around in the streets of
Rio Lagartos.
Oh, we found the bus. Fácil de... Gracias.
Producimos para liberarlos a la naturaleza. Todos pensamos que son animales.
We're gonna hold crocodiles.
Yeah, so apparently this place is a lot nicer than we thought it was. It is a nice like sanctuary place that works with crocodiles to prevent them from extinction.
Cada año separamos 40. Por acá de este lado. No pasa nada, amiga, no pasa nada, amiga.
Here's my alligator.
What's his name?
His name is Pablo. Me and Pablo.
I'm gonna go this way. No más. Ahorita le damos a ese.
Fíjese, amiga. Los animales comen. Muy bien. ¿Alguien más?
We are officially done with our tour, but we still have 2.5 hours on the way home. So when we were originally marketed to go on this tour, they told us it would be 1.5 hours there and 1.5 hours back, and it's 3 hours. Well, I had a really nice time.
Yeah, it was fun. I have a picture with a crocodile.
We got to feed crocodiles. I kissed a crocodile.
How's that?
They were kind of smelly. It was kind of cool.
Yeah, it was this like crocodile sanctuary. It was pretty nice. Like they get all the crocodiles from the wild because if they didn't help them reproduce and like keep them safe for a while, they were like not enough crocodiles will be alive to keep.
Like keep the population going.
Yeah. So they help with that, and then they have this program, which is why we went there. That is to make people not scared of crocodiles. And so you go and touch them and kind of take pictures with them and stuff like that, so people are not scared of them and they don't want to kill them, you know?
Yeah.